So you're waiting for mortgage rates to drop, right? Well, you're not alone, but here's the truth. Waiting could cost you way more than you think. In this video, I'm breaking down where rates are headed and what the experts are actually saying about 2025 and what smart buyers are doing right now to get ahead. So let's get into it. All right, let's talk about what's really going on. Mortgage rates have been a roller coaster the last 2 years. We saw them spike from the low 3s all the way up to the high 7s, even touching 8% in some cases. Right now they've cooled a bit. We're hovering in the 6.5, 7% range. But the question is, will they drop significantly in 2025? So here's what the experts are saying. Most economists and housing analysts predict that we'll see moderate rate drops through 2025. So entities like Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, and the Mortgage Bankers Association are all forecasting rates to trend downward, possibly landing in the high 5s or low 6s by the end of next year. Well, that sounds great, right? But here's what they're not putting in the headlines. When rates do drop, the market is going to go nuts, crazy. Buyers who've been on the sidelines, and there's a lot, for a year or more are going to flood back into the market. That means more competition, higher home prices, and bidding wars all over again. So yes, you might get a slightly lower interest rate, but you could end up paying $30,000, $40,000, or even $50,000 more for the home out of pocket. And that's not counting losing negotiation power. You're going to lose inspection credits, and seller paid closing costs are gone. Here's the thing that nobody's talking about. You really don't win by waiting for the perfect rate or waiting for the perfect market. You win by understanding the game and playing the market strategically. Buy now at a price that works, lock in a manageable payment, and when rates drop, you refinance and reduce your monthly costs. That's how smart buyers build equity and flexibility. Just get into the game. I just helped a client last month, locked in a home with rates were in the high 6s. He used a temporary buy down to lower his payment in year 1, and he's already positioned to refi once the market shifts. And we monitor that just for you. He beat the rush, got the house he wanted, and he's not competing with 10 other offers. So if you're waiting for a sign, like, this is it. The market is shifting again, and it's just still could mean losing thousands in equity and opportunity. So you don't want to sit around. So, want to know what today's rates look like for you? DM me the word rates or text me at 702-497-0584. I'll run your exact numbers and show you how to position yourself to win now and win again later when the refi hits. Once again, we monitor that for you. No pressure, just the truth and the strategy behind it. So, I'm Mike Prenesti, the Mortgage Jedi, and I help smart buyers and homeowners stop waiting and start winning. See you in the next video. Bye now.